Okay? Alright, thank you very much. So, as I said, my name is Jabir. I will be teaching you English. And we would like to summarize the issue for you. You are here, you attend lectures, you participate in activities, and you will take about 20 marks. So that's already 20 marks for the activities and for the attendance. Okay? Then you will have to have another 80 marks for the exam. So we should know what there will be in the exam. There will be a passage from this book, and you are going to have a copy of this book, okay? Maybe today, because of this epidemic, we don't know what will happen tomorrow, so we have to make it fast. So, from this book, you will have a passage, and you will have about 10 questions with multiple choice answers for electronic evaluation. All right? A, B, C, D. So, here we have about 15 marks. And then we have some structure questions. Grammar questions. There will be easy questions, inshallah. And you will have also questions on terms, medical terms. And you will have about 20 marks on questions related to essay writing. So we're going to study listening, speaking, reading, and writing, but we're going to focus on reading from this book, and we're going to focus on writing. This first lecture won't be on reading, although we might have the book today. Today we're going to start our process in writing. What should we write? What are we going to learn in writing? We're going to learn how to write a well-organized essay. A-S-S-A-Y. The word essay means, for Arabic, thank you very much. What does an essay consist of? What does this essay consist of? It consists of 3 main parts, not paragraphs, parts. What are these parts? Yes?
Start, subject, and then
introduction. Another answer, that's very good, thank you very much. Introduction. Body of the essay, thank you very much. And conclusion, excellent. So we have 3 main parts. The introduction of the essay. How many paragraphs should be in the introduction? 1, 2, 3? How many paragraphs? فقرة. Only 1. Thank you very much. So we have 1 paragraph for the introduction. And then the body of the essay. If you want to pronounce it British English, we say the body of the essay. And if it is American, we'll say the body of the essay. Okay? Why should we clarify British English and American English? Because in the future, you might travel abroad for more studies, and then you're going to choose either to have the TOEFL test from the Middle East, or you're going to have to pass the IELTS, which is British. You will have to visit the British Council or visit one of the branches like the one in Luxor. So, it's very important to start thinking about these things in the future just to prepare yourself, okay? So in a year or two, you might say, think it's easier. But no one can tell you that this is easier than this, right? It depends on you. It's something, we cannot say this is easier or this is more difficult. So, today's lecture is about writing an essay, a well-organized essay. And this essay, as we said, consists of three parts. The first part is the introduction. And how many paragraphs are in the introduction? Only one paragraph. And the conclusion at the end of the essay, how many paragraphs? Only one paragraph at the end or at the conclusion. And then the body of the essay. How many paragraphs should be there in the body? Someone said 3, maybe 4. The right answer, it depends. It depends on the ideas you are going to develop throughout the essay. So no one can tell you should have 2 paragraphs only or 3 paragraphs only, okay? It depends. Usually at the university stage, we teach a model called the 5-paragraph model. So it's 1 for the introduction, 1 for the conclusion, and 3 paragraphs for the body. Alright? This is one of the models. Sometimes you write only the advantages of this, for example, vaccine, and the disadvantages, and that's it. So you have 2 paragraphs. Alright? We are not going to explain everything in theory right now. This is only an introduction to writing an essay. But we're going to understand how to write through writing an essay. So today we're going to write an essay. Okay? Not really in here in the faculty, but we're going to start writing, to start the process. How should we start? We're going to start by having some ideas about this essay. Okay? At home, I will send you an article, and you're going to read this article for more reading and more depth on the topic. And then we're going to meet again and again, and then we're going to formalize our essay. Again, if you hand me the essay on time, you will have marks. You participate in activities, you have more marks. Okay? You sit down silently during all the lectures, you're going to have marks, but very few marks. Okay? Because you are not participating. So let's start our topic today.